There is a mysterious and unpredictable region on Earth. Not only the environment is extremely harsh, but also known as the forbidden zone of life by human beings. This is the extreme place at the end of the world, Antarctica. And what kind of secret does it hide? As early as 1739, the French navigator Bouvet first discovered a small island near Antarctica. But due to the dangerous polar currents, Bouvet and his men were unable to reach the island. And it was the discovery of this island that led to the belief that there were even larger islands farther away. Since then, human exploration of the Antarctic has never stopped. James Cook first arrived near the South Pole in 1772, and 50 years later, Palmer finally discovered the Antarctic continent. Since then, mankind has begun its conquest of Antarctica. But because of the extremely cold temperatures here, it's estimated that it hasn't rained in over 2 million years, and there are few traces of life. That's why Antarctica is called the end of the world and the forbidden zone of life. Meanwhile, Antarctica is different from the North Pole. Unlike the Arctic, where there is a liquid ocean under the ice, the Antarctic is a supercontinent. But strangely enough, in 1991, when researchers drilled holes and explored the area, about 4 kilometers beneath the ice sheet in this uninhabited Antarctica, there exists the world's largest subglacial lake, Lake Vostok, in liquid form. The lake is about 250 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide, with a maximum depth of 800 meters. The water temperature remains at 3 degrees Celsius all year round. It is speculated that the reason why this lake is not frozen may be due to the heat of the Earth's core and the pressure caused by the heavy ice sheet, which lowers the freezing point of the water. Not only that, but it's one of the purest water systems on Earth. What's even more incredible is that in this extremely harsh environment, researchers analyzing samples from the drilling have detected large amounts of single-celled life. According to DNA fragments, there are more than 3,500 species, and they're all very old. The water in the lake was also found to be highly oxygenated. With such high oxygen levels, it's easy for a 100-ton beast to evolve. On the verge of discovering the truth, fearing ecological contamination of Lake Vostok, the team stopped drilling 120 meters from the lake. And the richness of the discoveries made proved that the lake was a world of life. We've also discovered that the environment under the Antarctic ice cap is very similar to that of Io. This also provides strong evidence that there is life in the oceans beneath Io's ice. NASA will then launch the Europa Express mission in 2024 to look for signs of life in Io's subglacial ocean. If humans do find life by then, it will show that life is a very common phenomenon for the universe. There's even a lot of alien life in our galaxy, and we won't be alone in our solar system.